Guys, welcome back to my channel SUDEV'S. Today I am doing the video of how to play on a server, multiplayer practice server. So it's a small tutorial which shows how can you join a server and play with me and my friends. So let's get on to the video. First, after installing the Minecraft Java edition, I am using P launcher for it. You click the multiplayer option, left click the multiplayer option, then click proceed. Then you can see I have already tried to connect the server so many times, and here this is the connection information. So the server is now open. For playing in my server's name is Ghostcraft. So playing the server, you go to add server. Then you can type any name. You can type I'm just typing here Ghostcraft, the name itself. Let me type in cap, and then server address. Here you should type join.ghostcraft.in. Remember the spelling. Otherwise, if you type it wrong, you cannot join the server. .in. If you need to join any other practice server, you type in this. You type in the IP address of that server. So this is my server IP address, join.ghostcraft.in. Then click done. Then you can see here it is pinging. See, they have got connection. So this has more ping than it. Then left click it. So you will see joining word, etc. stuff like that. Joining word. Then after joining, the server will tell you to register with a password, so that you others cannot use your account. So you can register by using this command. Register space your favorite password. And so this word near. Then type again the password again. Then click enter. Now I have already logged in, registered, so I should log in. After login, I will show you. So I have logged in. Here you can see thanks for playing with us. Enjoy the server D. So that's it for registering. Now you can walk through here, try pick the hub and etc. You can just roam around, join the pit. This pit is a mode in which you will spawn in a pit and then fight. So I will just show you. If I right click this, like see, you will spawn in a pit, means a hole, and you can fight with others. You can call your friends. You can type. It's another important thing when playing in a server. You can type by clicking T in your keyboard. It will open the chat box. Or to write a command, do hash bar that thing. You can see that this one. Using that symbol, you can do commands. So currently there is no way out other than a player killing me and spawning up there. So I am just rejoining the server. And for PT you need minimum 2 players to PvP. Otherwise you will be alone just roaming around. Just you can see the island. And now I am going to play survival. So I am going to come to here and right click the survival on this player. So after right clicking here, you will spawning in this place. Let me remove this place. This place is known as spawn. Means your spawn in survival. You can if you are in the world, you can reach here through the command as spawn. See, you will reach here. And here are many crates. Legendary crate, you can get a legendary crate key by uh, voting and getting vote crate keys. And this spawner crate can only be you can only get a spawner crate key by paying real money in the server shop. So server also has Discord. You can check the Discord by typing #Discord to show the link. Now to join in a world, if you are new in a server, to join in a world, here you can see many options. If you right click in this world, you will teleport to a random location in the survival world. You can see here I can't break or do anything here. Just I can attack, but I can't attack any player. I can't attack any player or do anything. So it is spawn. So I can't do much here. Just except opening crates or doing stuff like that. Just chatting with players. Oh, first you go come straight and right click in this world. See, I will teleport to a random location. Let's wait. I am just lagging. So let's wait. See, I am a pro player in this server, so I don't need to just gather wood or do survival things. I will just, I don't need to gather stuff or like that. So see, creeper, it can't do me anything. This is my guard. So uh, I will tell you this thing later on this video. So next, like, so this is the world. Here you can gather stuff, gather wood. Mm, I am not sure that every player will teleport to this same location. So if you need to teleport to me, if I am online, my name is sudwizpro. If I just type it hi, you can see here sudwizpro. My name is sudwizpro. So to TP to me means if you are playing this server and you are watching my channel, if you need to play with me, uh, play, means gather stuff PvP, just do #TPA and my player name here to this pro. Or you can TP to any other player by typing their name after #TPA, then typing their name. So these are the very common things in the server. Now one more thing we are going to say that you will see this build of someone, I don't know, but you can't enter this without you can't enter this with your if you need to enter this, you need the permission. See here, private gem statics. So I can't open this. If I right click, see here, gem statics permission to use that. So you need to place another chest and write the player's name to give them permission. So instead of most of the time, no one gives chest permission to others. Uh, See, I can't place break or blocks or do anything here. Um, just I am trying to break this block. See, so you can't claim a land by hash claim here command. Oh, not that. Sorry. You can claim a land by clicking, you need a claim shovel. First, you need a claim shovel. You get that, you type git start and enter. See, I can't get access to the kit, but if you are joining the server for first time, you can get this for sure. Just type that kit and you will get a leather armor with some good attack and also unbreaking uh, unbreaking armor, unbreaking enchanted armor, leather armor. You can use that for free, and every 30 days you can claim it again. So, and one more thing, if you die, you can access your gears. You don't need to worry about if you die or if in a PvP any player killed you, your stuff will not be gone. A grave will form. If I click this, I don't have any grave, but a grave will form means a box, small box will form, smaller than lesser than this step, and you can do hash graves and teleport to it, but for that you need money. So that's a trick to get back to the died location. Do hash d back. So I will be teleporting to my last death location. So I died here because I removed my armor and was fighting with my brother, and he killed in the time of lag. That was my last died location. And this is my friend, hey Max. He is my intimate friend in the server. So if you are playing, if you are watching my video and coming to the server, just say I am a subscriber of so this, so he will give you stuff. Just